everyone. So I'm excited to share with you my Sweet Strawberry class kit. Now the class kit is my gift to you with a qualifying purchase when you use my host code, which is available on my website www.carolbcrafts.com, and you can also find it at the top of my VIP Facebook group too, Create and Share. Okay, so these are the 4 projects. Some are a little more simple, some are a little more complicated. I try to reach everyone, don't leave anybody out. These are done with the Sweet Strawberry bundle, which is in the annual catalog for Stampin' Up. And there's a link to purchase these in the YouTube video that I'll be doing from this Facebook Live. So if you want to do the Sweet Strawberry, you just need to make a qualifying purchase and use my current host code, and I will automatically send this to you. It's good for the whole month of July. And so you'll need to have the Sweet Strawberry bundle, but the inks that you'll need that I used are Garden Green, Real Red, and Poppy Parade. So those are the inks that I used to make these projects. Now I'm doing something a little bit different this time. I did all the cutting for you. Normally we will do the first part of our video, our YouTube video for each project. We'll start with the cutting with our trimmer. Well, you won't have to do any cutting or scoring with your trimmer. It's all going to be done for you. Isn't that nice? And so the only cutting you have to worry about is with the punching of the strawberries and the little leaves. But everything else comes in the kit pre-cut for you. And so this is how the kits come. This would be project number 1, which is this project here. Project number 2, project number 3, and project number 4. So everything is tucked inside the little envelope, and then your embellishments are in the envelope itself. And they come stacked like this, so you can do them each in order so that everything stays together. And I hope that by my pre-cutting your panels and everything for you will help give you a little more, make it a little more fun and easy for you. Now there will be a PDF that has the dimensions for each project in case you want to make more, and the supplies. And I'll be emailing all those that are on my email list the information on how to what all you'll need for this, and then I can also put it on my website too, so you can see what all you'll need. And so you'll basically won't need a die cut machine, and you won't need a trimmer. You will need the punch that goes with the bundle, and you'll need the inks. You'll need some dimensionals, some glue dots, some glue, your snail tape runner, adhesive runner, basic things like that. So check out my website www.carolbcrafts.com and find out how you can get this adorable class kit from me as a gift with a qualifying purchase. All right, thanks for watching. Bye now.